Hey guys, this is Amy and that's my cat Richie. We are here to share some cooking skills and teach you some easy Chinese words. Hope you're going to like it. Today, let's cook stir-fried green beans with minced pork.
Its Chinese name is called 干煸豆角. 干煸豆角. It's spicy, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and absolutely delicious. Once you try it, you will love it. It's a perfect match with rice. I'm going to prepare the ingredients. First, wash the green beans and trim off the inedible parts with scissors.
Cut the green beans into sections.
Put the green beans into a plate.
Set aside.
Peel the garlic. Chop the garlic.
I'm going to cut the chili into sections.
You can add less chili if you don't like spicy food. Garlic and chili are prepared.
Put some Sichuan peppers in a plate. That's optional if you don't have it. Look, minced pork, 猪肉末, green beans, 豆角, minced garlic, 蒜末, chili, 辣椒, Sichuan pepper, 花椒 are prepared. Oil, 油, soy sauce, 生抽, oyster sauce, 蚝油, salt, 盐, MSG, 味精, Sesame, 芝麻 will be needed. Now let's get started.
Add a little salt to the water in the pot. Heat the water to boil. The water is boiled. Add green beans. Blanch the green beans in boiled water for a few minutes. Until the beans change color and half cooked.
Remove the beans to a plate. Heat the pot and add oil. Add the green beans.
Stir-fry the green beans for a few minutes until get golden brown. The green beans get golden brown and they are fully cooked.
Remove the green beans to a plate. Heat the pot again and add a little oil. Add minced pork.
Stir fry the minced pork until it gets golden brown. The minced pork is golden brown now. Add minced garlic, 蒜末. Add chili, 辣椒. Add Sichuan pepper, 花椒. Stir fry them together until they release their fragrance.
Add green beans. A spoon of soy sauce. 生抽. Add a little oyster sauce. 蚝油. Add a little MSG. 味精. And a little sesame. 芝麻. Stir them evenly. It's done.
Wow, it looks so great. Please try it. It's so delicious. Perfect with rice.
It's dinner time.
Recipe here. Tag me if you make it. I'd love to see yours.